The bill also addresses one of the long-standing challenges confronting our national statistical system: sustainable financing. No modern data ecosystem can thrive on uncertain and irregular funding. The establishment of a dedicated statistical development fund represents a strategic intervention that will strengthen institutional capacity, reduce dependence on ad hoc budgetary allocations and external support, and provide a more stable foundation for the production of quality statistics. Equally important is the bill's commitment to aligning Nigeria's statistical practices with internationally accepted standards. In an increasingly interconnected global economy, credible and comparable data is essential for attracting investment, strengthening development planning, and enhancing national competitiveness.
As the agency statutorily charged with coordinating the nation's statistical system and producing official statistics, the Nigerian Bureau of Statistics occupies a strategic position in Nigeria's development architecture. The Bureau's work provides the empirical foundation upon which government decisions are made, resources are allocated, and development outcomes are measured. The Federal Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning, therefore, welcomes this legislative initiative and views it as a significant step towards strengthening the capacity, independence, relevance, and effectiveness of our national statistical system. A modern legal framework will better position the NBS to respond to emerging data needs, align with international best practices, and support the implementation of national development priorities.
Every successful nation is built on a foundation of reliable information. Governments can only plan effectively when they understand the realities confronting their citizens. Investors can only commit resources when they have confidence in available economic data. Development partners can only support national priorities when there are credible indicators to measure progress. Indeed, it is now said that data has become the currency of sustainable development in the modern world, and statistics the compass that guides national development.
The Statistics Bill 2025 presents an opportunity to strengthen the national statistical system by providing a more robust legal framework for the production, coordination, and use of official statistics. It seeks to enhance institutional effectiveness, support innovation in statistical production, strengthen professional standards, and improve the availability of reliable data for decision-making. The bill is structured into 8 parts and comprising of 42 clauses. Collectively, these provisions seek to strengthen the legal and institutional framework for official statistics in Nigeria by addressing key issues relating to statistical governance, institutional development, data collection and management, confidentiality, accountability, funding, and stakeholder coordination within the Nigerian statistical system.